What if your basement junk could cost you $15,000 in a single night? In Milwaukee, spring flooding season brings a deadly race against time. Sarah's basement was packed with storage boxes, old furniture, and forgotten belongings. When the emergency crews arrived, they couldn't reach her main sewer cleanout, buried somewhere behind years of accumulated junk. Every spring, Milwaukee Waterworks gets over 200 calls just like this. Raw sewage started backing up through her drains. The clock was ticking as water levels rose outside. Without access to the shutoff valve, pumps were useless. Her finished basement flooded with contaminated water. $15,000 in damage, all because boxes blocked critical access points. HomeSpan's strategic junk removal keeps your infrastructure accessible when seconds count. Don't let clutter turn spring floods into financial disasters.